In this video, you will learn how to use AI to generate a Shopify product description. Choose an AI routing tool to select an AI-powered generator. This could be ChatGPT or Gemini that supports product description creation. Gather product information. Prepare details like the product name, the features, benefits, specifications, and target audience. Enter a clear prompt. Type a short prompt into the AI tool, including the product key details and the tone you want. This could be a professional tone, casual tone, persuasive tone, etc. Generate product description. Run the prompt and let the AI create multiple product descriptions and different variations for you to pick from. Edit and personalize. Review the AI generated text. Make adjustments for accuracy, brand voice, and SEO keywords. Then copy to Shopify. Paste the final version into your Shopify product description field, then save it. Now you know how to use the AI to generate Shopify product descriptions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.